What's going on, everybody? It's kzSquid doing another vlog. Today is a special day because I'm going to pick up a pair of gloves, finally. I've been riding around with this one glove. I bought a pair of Milwaukee gloves from my Home Depot near me and ended up taking them to work the next day, so that kind of sucked. And I'll let you know, it is a chillier day out. It's probably around like 60, high 60s, maybe even 70, but it's pretty windy. So I got my jacket on. I even got the inner liner in it because it's so windy. But I'm on my way to my buddy RJ's house. He had to go to work, so he left these gloves in the mailbox for me. He gets them free from his work, and I'm excited. It's also Father's Day, Sunday. I'll probably be posting this video next week, so shout out to all the dads. Hope you guys all had a good Father's Day. I wonder what color these gloves are. I'm hoping they're like a gray or black or white and black, obviously, because of my beautiful bike. You guys never really get to see my bike. Well, here you go. She's dirty right now, but she's still nice. Oh, there's a car coming. Of course. I'm gonna lose my water. Oh, would that truck turn? Rest around for no reason. This thing is like a junk. Oh my god. If you really came in hot, you could get some air off of that thing. What is that? Free grill. Whoa. I'm a charcoal guy, guys. I don't know if you guys grill at all, but charcoal is the way. Charcoal over everything. Except for those Traeger grills. Those things are freaking sick. Okay, it's obviously the one with the RVs. It's been a minute since I was here, dude. This is where we used to hang out when I was younger, and my buddy's got, he grew up riding motocross, so it's always a fun time coming down here. We get to rip the pit bikes around the neighborhood. My lens is fogging up. What do we got? Ooh, the freshies, that's what we got. Look at these bad boys. Alright. They seem lightweight, but guess what? I don't have a glove on my left hand, so it's gonna be great. Is this thing gonna give me all kinds of trouble to get out? Come on. There we go. Alright, one glove. Take off my Volta glove that I only have one of. This is my other one. I put it over my titanium block because my girlfriend keeps cutting her leg on it. Alright. Oh, cool. I'm about it. Ow. Pretty nice. I like that they got these rubberized things here. Pretty cool. Alright guys, free gloves acquired. shout out RJ. Thank you. I'm kind of wondering why this feels, okay. I got some scratches on my arm there. My dog just destroys water bottles like this, or like a Gatorade, anything, dude. If you give him a piece of trash, he'll just freak it up crazy and blast it into a million pieces. But with the water bottles, he chews the caps off of them, and then they get really sharp, and then he just wants to play with you, so he jumps all over you with the water bottle, and then you end up all scratched up and shit. Alright, thanks RJ. Appreciate you. Getting a new driveway, huh? Nice. Tried. Oh, guys. Can't get her up. I need my blue pill. That's right. Soon enough. What's up, guys? Just looking over the bike, checking it out. About to hit the CVS to get a card from my dad. These are some of my other bikes. I never show you guys. I've been meaning to, but this one needs new carb filters and some clutch work, but it does run and ride. I need to get pod filters and then I can actually ride it. This guy, I just got a new carb for it. I'm gonna put my stock Grom bars on. So I got this one taken apart. This is my buddy's bike. It's a new Honda Navi. It was his birthday. He just got these Pro Taper bars, so we're swapping those. But we don't have any drill bits right now because they're all at work. And this is a Grom clone that I'm storing for a buddy of mine. And I also got a PW50 in the backyard. I never show you guys the garage because it's a mess right now. I think I'm just gonna sesh the back alley for a little, and then I'm gonna hit the CVS. Let's get it. Already got arm pump. Haven't been wheeling. Well, I mean, I've been doing a little bit of stuff, but not used to it. Pull my pants up. Well, what's going on, you guys? It's later that same day. We're headed to our buddy's house. Go hang out for a second. I just had lunch with my dad. Everything went well. This dude looks like he has his reverse lights on, kinda. It's kinda sketching me out here. Saw some dude ripping a quad down my street, just sending it, doing a fat wheelie. I couldn't catch up to him in time though. Big sender, come on, bud. I'm in a rowdy mood right now. Oh, I know that guy with the red rum truck with the license plate fenders. Well, I don't know him, but he lives by me. I might have to off-road the Grom ski. Alright guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next.